Hi, this is Jenny at Trendy Tree, and today I was going to show you how I covered this animal print pumpkin. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take this one apart. This is a styrofoam pumpkin that I got at Walmart, and I'm just going to take it apart and then I'll kind of redo what I did. The material that I have is kind of a knit jersey-like material, but the pumpkin, of course, came from Walmart, you know, just like that, and it's just made of styrofoam, so you can kind of just work that top around a little bit and you can pull that right off. And then you want to cut a piece of fabric. Of course, it'll depend on what size pumpkin you get, on how big you cut your fabric. I kind of started out in a square and then just rounded it up a little bit. And like I say, this is a kind of a knit material, so it works better, you know, it's easier to use a knit. So just spread your material out, take your pumpkin, put it in the center, and then just start picking up the edge of your fabric and just take something like the end of a wooden spoon and pull that fabric up. Make sure you don't have any raw edges showing, and just work all the way around the pumpkin. Just taking your spoon and kind of poking it down in there. Now I have kind of reworked this pumpkin a couple of times because I was showing people how to do it. So I've kind of gotten the center of mine a little bit too big. So I'm gonna have to keep working on getting that fabric down in there. But just make sure that you've got any raw edges kind of tucked under like that. You want to kind of fold that under. And just take your spoon, poke it down in there. And then if you've got any areas, you know, on the side that's a little bit loose, you can just pull them up a little tighter and just poke that down in the center. Just like that. And then you can take some hot glue. I'm not gonna glue mine, but what I would do would be put some hot glue on this and then take that and put your stem right back on. I'm using this as a tutorial, so I'm not gonna hot glue it. So just put your hot glue on that, poke it right down in there, and you've got just a cute little covered pumpkin. I've picked up several more sizes of pumpkins at Walmart, and I picked out some different kinds of material, so I have some other choices that I'm gonna do. But I want to go ahead and show you this one. It's just really, really quick and easy. Okay, thanks for watching.